Is your MetaQuest getting so hot that it shuts down in the middle of a game? It is incredibly alarming when you feel that heat against your face or see a thermal warning on the screen. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to cool down your headset and keep it running smooth right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you protect your hardware and your immersion. The MetaQuest is essentially a high-performance mobile computer strapped to your forehead. When you run demanding games or use mixed reality, the processor works overtime and generates massive heat. If the internal fan cannot keep up, the system throttles your performance or crashes to prevent permanent damage. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Check your ventilation ports. Ensure that your silicone face cover or third-party accessory is not blocking the thin vents along the top and bottom of the headset. Even a tiny obstruction can cause heat to trap inside. Step 2. Clean out the dust. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow into the intake vents. Dust buildup on the internal fan is the #1 cause of overheating in older headsets. Step 3. Avoid playing in direct sunlight. Not only can the sun damage your lenses, but the heat from sunlight hitting the front sensors and cameras will cause the internal temperature to spike rapidly. Step 4. Stop charging while you play. Using a link cable or a battery pack while gaming creates a dual heat source from the battery and the processor. For the coolest performance, play on the internal battery alone. Step 5. Lower your graphical settings. If you are using QuestLink or AirLink, lower the resolution and refresh rate in the PC software. Pushing the headset to 120 Hz at max resolution creates maximum heat. Step 6. Use a room fan. Position a floor fan so it blows directly toward your play area. This constant airflow helps dissipate heat from the front plate of the headset and keeps you cool as well. Step 7. Remove the front faceplate if you are an advanced user. For some Quest models, the plastic front cover can be popped off to reveal the heatsink. This allows much better airflow during intense PC VR sessions. Step 8. Clear your boundary history. Sometimes the tracking system glitches and overworks the processor trying to find your floor. Go to Settings and reset your boundary to give the CPU a fresh start. Step 9. Take regular breaks. Giving the device 10 minutes to rest every hour allows the fan to catch up and cool the internal components back to a safe baseline. Step 10. Perform a factory reset. If the fan is spinning but the headset still runs hot on the home screen, a rogue background process might be stuck. A fresh install of the system software often fixes these hidden glitches. Here is a pro tip for the power users. If your fan sounds like a jet engine or does not spin at all, the internal thermal paste may have dried out. If you are out of warranty, replacing the thermal paste on the mobile chip can drop your temps by 10 degrees. If you face any difficulty with these cooling steps, please comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this video helped you stay cool, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Keep your gear cool and your head in the game. I will see you in the next one.